This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rachel Kosmak. Luxurious townhome located in Galleria Lofts featuring 2 bedrooms plus a den or office space and 2.5 bathrooms. Upon entering this immaculate home, you are welcomed by an open floor plan with chef's kitchen with extended cabinetry and a half bathroom. Upstairs, the owner's suite features a private terrace, a spa-like bathroom with large shower, soaking tub, dual sinks, and ample closet space. Also upstairs is the second bedroom with a Murphy bed included and a space which can be used as an office with bathroom, washer and dryer. This unit has a gated front yard, 1-car garage, as well as an assigned parking space. Electric blinds on all windows. Amenities include pool and pet park. Great location. Just minutes to Fort Lauderdale's best restaurants, shopping, beaches, Olas and Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Kosmak at 954-491-3100.